When I'm buying epoxy resin, I don't necessarily need to buy everything every time. And when I look at these kits that are for sale, I don't always need everything that's in the kit. However, this kit from Sevgili has 40 ounces of 2-part room temperature 1-to-1 epoxy, 40 ounces of part A, 40 ounces of part B. What I really like is that it comes with the pumps. These happen to have little caps over the nozzles, which is pretty neat. But these pumps allow you to real easily, without any waste, just dispense a similar amount from each of the 2 cups, or each of the 2 containers. And this set comes with 4 cups and 4 smaller cups, 4 beakers and 4 cups. Now these cups are reusable, but not forever. So these are something you're going to need. And you don't necessarily want to buy 100 of these every time you're going to do a project. So I do like that it comes with a number of these cups without being too many and without being too few. These beakers are a little more reusable, and you can use these over and over. So I'm happy that these come. Otherwise, it comes with some gloves and some aprons, some stuff you can use as a tablecloth, and some stirring rods. So there's really nothing extra here, just stuff that you're going to go through when you're using your epoxy projects, and stuff that you're going to need, just the amount you're going to need. I really appreciate that from Sevgili. I want to thank them for sending us this set to check out. I hope this helps.